Hello students, today we shall discuss a new chapter. We shall come to know about the concept of preposition. On the board you can see it is written, name of the chapter is written here, you can go through this. Whenever I was discussing this parts of speech, at that time I told you what preposition is. Once again I am saying this definition. Preposition is a word which shows the relation between noun or pronoun and some other word in sentence. For example, different how the preposition shows relation. For example, I shall go on Sunday. This on is creating the relation of this Sunday with other part of the sentence. Okay, so this type of words are called as preposition. Now what we are to do with this preposition? We are to know which preposition should be placed in which place. We must know that. And at the very beginning we should know preposition of time. Before discussing preposition of time, I must draw one triangle. Here is one triangle. Here I am writing at. Here I am writing on. Here I am writing in. You can see in this triangle the smallest part is at and in size second part is on and largest part is in. That means whenever we shall use the time, at that time in will be used for the biggest time. For example, year, decade, century, millennium, like this we are to use. 60s, 70s, in the year, like this. For example, I am showing I was born in 1982. It's a year, before that I have put in. I was born in 1982. My father used to study in 70s. It's a decade. It's a decade, and before decade I have used this in. In the 70s, my father used to study in the 70s, or we can use like this. The British ruled India in 18th century, 18th and 19th century. The British ruled India in 18th and 19th century. That means before century we are to put in. That means for a larger period, for a big period we are to use in, and on will be used before day. For example, I was born on Friday. On India got its freedom on 15th August. Before day we have to put on. That means it's a big year, decade, century is large part. That means century consists of 100 years. Decade consists of 10 years. Like this. A year consists of 365 days. Like this. It is a big part. That is why I have kept this in largest position, biggest position. On is smaller than the year. That is why I have kept it in second position. That means day. Day is only one day. Okay. I came on Teachers' Day. There was a program. There was a program in our school, at our school, on Teachers' Day. Like this. Before Teachers' Day we have to use on. And at will be used for smallest part. For example, I came at 9 o'clock. For this we have to use at. That means small part of time, point of time, small part. That means 9 o'clock only for 1 minute, and bigger than this is day. That is why on part is bigger than at part, and in part is bigger than on part, because year, decade, century, millennium, like this, these are bigger parts. That is why I have kept it in the lowest part, which is the biggest part of this triangle. I hope you have understood. On for day, in for decade, year. I was born in 1982. My father was born in 1943. Okay, like this. So, and on before day, Gandhiji was born on 2nd October. Okay, like this we have to tell. And at I came at 9 o'clock. The school started at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. at 9 a.m. like this. For small part of time we have to use at. I hope you have understood. Now, on, this is a ball. If anything touches the surface, if anything, for example, my marker is on my palm. If it has touched the surface of my hand, if it touches the surface, we have to use on. If it does not touch the surface, we have to use over. Okay, for example, ball is on the box. If the ball does not touch the surface, for example, if it remains like this, we have to use over. Okay, and if it is inside the box, we have to use in. Okay, if it is inside the box, we have to use in. If it is like this, then we have to use near. Okay, now another one. This is a pond. There is a man who is jumping here. So which one? Jumping in or into? If movement is there, jumping, that means movement is there, then we have to use into. Okay, and another one, for example, I am throwing something. Throwing something, that means a dog is going, I am throwing this throwing a stone, that means throw at. Throw, I am throwing the stone at the dog. Okay, and off. Off, O-double-F off, not O-F off. O-double-F off means separation. For separation, for example, the rider fell off the bicycle. That means from the bicycle he fell. Off means separation. And to and towards. To and towards. To and towards, that means to has the sense of destination. And towards, direction. Destination, direction. That means in Bengali I am saying ami schooler dike jacchi. For this we have to use towards. Schooler dike jacchi, I am going towards school. It does not mean that I am going to school. My destination is school. It does not mean that. Besides school, many other things are also there. Nearby my school, some shops are there, some homes, some people are also living. I am going towards school. It means, it does not mean that I am going to school, but I am going to school means my destination is school. I am going to school. My end will be in school. Okay. For this we have to use to. And now last one. I go to school by bus. For this vehicle I have used by bus. Bus se jai. By bus. Okay. If you enter in any of the vehicles, if the vehicle is big, we have to use on. If vehicle is small, we have to use in. For example, I got on the train. I got in the car. Because car is small vehicle, train is big vehicle. For this we have to use on. And if I travel, bus se journey. For this I travel by train, bus, car, etc. Okay. And at will also be used. For example, laughing at, looking at. For this we have to use at also. Okay. Now these are overall discussion for class 6. I hope this is enough. If you have any question regarding this chapter, regarding this discussion, you can ask me. I shall reply you inshallah. That's all for today. And rest of the questions, exercises have been given. You can go through these exercises also. That's all for today. Thank you everybody.